Welcome back to our channel. This is going to be a demonstrational video. To get started, feed the drill bit through the guide from the bottom up. Level the base using the 3 bolts. Be sure to level the base on the pool deck. Turn them until the bubble is in the center. The Sentry Safety Drill Guide can rapidly change between needed drilling angles by simply adjusting the bolts on the sides. In previous and competing versions, the drill bit must be removed to change the angles. With patent-pending adjustment design, the correct angle is achieved every time. Close up from the left side of the guide, changing the angle from 0 to 0.25 degrees. Close up from the left side of the guide, changing the angle from 2.5 to 5 degrees. Close up from the right side of the guide, changing the angle from 5 to 2.5 degrees. Close up from the right side of the guide, changing the angle from 2.5 to 0 degrees. Please visit the above website for dealer information to rent the tool. We want to make sure you have the right tools for a successful install for peace of mind for you and your family.